Welcome to FranklinWH Fridays. Get ready to be inspired by the latest innovations and real-world applications that we'll be showcasing on this series. I'm Brandon Sanchez, and I'm thrilled to be your host today as we dive into all things home energy management, solar energy, and battery storage so you can stay up to date on the latest trends and breakthroughs. FranklinWH has recently announced their photo and video contest. This is a monthly contest in which an installer or homeowner can win swag from us, as well as big gifts like iPads, GoPros, and so on. So stay tuned to this channel and I'll be announcing those winners. But first, I want to bring some great news. In May, the number of FranklinWH installers has surpassed 2,000. So we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has supported us. So thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you who haven't had the chance to work with us before, why would you even consider us? Why the Franklin Home Power Solution? Well, I can dive into that. Number one, we're safer, and we utilize LFP or lithium iron phosphate cells in our batteries. Number two, we're more powerful, and so you can take one of our A-Powers or one of our batteries called an A-Power, and that's 13.6 kWh of storage, and you can stack up to 15 of them or 204 kWh of storage. This is a very massive system, and it unlocks point number three, which is the versatility of our system. We can manage those heavy loads. So if you have a pool pump, if you have multiple ACs in your home, if you have that luxury, we can manage that no problem. Number four, we're very convenient. It's a very easy installation process. And on the homeowner side, what they're seeing is a very sleek system, very aesthetically pleasing. It's a beautiful system. And number five, it's on-off grid ready right out of the box. It's microgrid capable. It is ready to go no matter what type of situation you're in for your home or whatever the installation case would be. It is just ready to go, which gives you that energy freedom that you're looking for. Which brings me to my final point of the 12-year warranty that we have. This is industry leading. And not only that, we have a strong warranty, but we have an even stronger after-sales support. For 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. So how do you actually get one of our Franklin Home Power or FHP solutions? Well, one, navigate to our website, FranklinWH.com, simple. So taking it back to the photo and video contest, I've reviewed all of the submissions, and I really want to thank you for everyone that's taken the time to tag us, to take a photo of their installation, to take a video, to show how proud they are of that installation or how happy they are with the new Franklin Home Power solution on their home. So thank you. So I'm going to start screen sharing here, which will pop up on your screen momentarily. Let's dive in. So what you're seeing on my screen here, which is blurred for privacy's sake, is our list of 22 submissions. So I'm going to grab this and tab over to my next tab. I'm going to paste this into the randomizer. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to randomize my list into a particular order, in which we have here. And so I will take this to the next tab, and I'm going to use the random number generator, set that to 22 since we have 22 submissions, generate, and it looks like number 5 is our winner. So congrats to you, number 5, GreenBrilliance. I will be in contact with you individually. You will be receiving a special FranklinWH gift package. Now I will introduce our special award, the Best Installation Case Award. This award is given based on the quality of the installation case filming, popularity, and among other factors. The recipient of this prestigious award is Earthlight Technologies, LLC. Congratulations on winning a GoPro award. Earthlight Technologies has shared a very impressive video clip showcasing their expertise in drone photography as well as other various video techniques. Their content not only demonstrated exceptional editing quality, but also garnered significant engagement on social media. So thank you to everyone who actually took the time to make these submissions. Everyone that did, they will be receiving FranklinWH Swag. Be on the lookout for our team's message, and we will send that to you. So that concludes this month's photo and video contest. Thank you everyone who has taken the time to show us your beautiful installation, whether you're a homeowner or an installer. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will be announcing next month's winner in a very similar format. As I mentioned before, I really value transparency. So you'll be seeing the screen sharing, the randomizer, all that again. So thank you again. And if you're not doing so already, please give us a like, please give us a follow, a subscribe. It really helps out our channels. So once again, I'm Brandon Sanchez, and we'll see you next time.